Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 27 Exercise 27A question number 15. A closed rectangular box measuring 72 centimeters by 54 centimeters by 48 centimeters externally is made of wood 1.5 centimeters thick. So first one is find the capacity of the box in liters. Whenever you see capacity, just find the volume of the box, right? So volume of the box, this will be again length into breadth into height. So you have got what? 72 by 54 by 48. So let's multiply and let's see what do I get. So first let's multiply 72 by 54. So 8, 288, 10 and 1, 360. Now 8 here, 8 there, 8 here, 3888 is the volume. No, not the volume, this is 3888 into 48. Last one, let's multiply, let's see, this will give me my volume, right? 3888 into 48. 8 8 is a 4, 6 carried over, 77 carried over, 1 7 carried over again, 24 and 7 31, right? And now 4 into 8 32 and 3 carried over, 5 3 again carried over, so again 5 and 3 again carried over, so you have got 15 here. 4 2 6 6 8 1. Okay, so you have what? 186624 cubic centimeters as your volume. Okay, this is the volume of the cube, but we want to calculate the volume in liters. That will be needed because this is given here. So you can write here, since 1000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 liters. Okay, make this relationship clear in your mind. So 1000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 liters. So therefore 18,000 your 624 upon 1000 is equal to 1 liter. How am I saying 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter? Because in 1 milliliter, in your 1 cubic centimeter, 1 milliliter of water can come. So in 1000 cubic centimeter, 1000 milliliters can come. 1000 milliliter means 1 liters. So the decimal point will move how many places? 1 2 3 3 places. So you have 186.624 liters as your final answer. This much volume can be held by our container. Let's move on to the next part. Now let's see the next part. What is the volume of wood used in making the box? Very simple. This is volume of wood is equal to what? So we have external volume minus the internal volume, right? This thing we will use because you will see that what it is saying actually, there is the box which is made up of 1.5 centimeter thickness of the wood. So in the entire box, this much part will be for the wood as well. So what is the volume of the wood? There is no direct way of calculating the direct formula. So we'll use this way, that is from the external volume, we'll subtract the internal volume. What is the external volume? External volume comprises of the thickness of the wood and that inner volume as well. So for that, dimensions will be this only. 72 into 54 into 48. Okay, but now internal volume will be little different. The dimensions will change here. Why? Because internal volume will not include the thickness of the wood. It will only include the internal volume of the box. The wood part will be removed. So for that, we have to remove the thickness of the wood from each side, not from this side. Suppose like if this is my wood, so there is this part, this is what? 1.5 centimeters. Okay, and this entire thing is your length. So 1.5 centimeters will go from here, but 1.5 will also go from here. No, yes, So in total, how many centimeters do I have to subtract from each side? 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 centimeters, right? So this we don't have to write down, just 3 centimeters will subtract from each side. 72 minus 3 is 69, multiply by 54 minus 3 is 51, and multiply by 48 minus 3, that is 45. Now solve. This one we've already solved in the previous question. You have got 186624. We remember the answer we've solved in the previous question, so don't calculate again. Then this one we'll calculate. So we have got here, see, 69 into 51, 69 here, 5 and 4 there, so 34, 3, 4, 9, sorry, this is 11 and 1, 3519 multiplied by 45, right? So 3519 into 45, 9 5 is a 5 4 9 here, 5 2 carried over there, so 17, 9 4 is a 6 3 carried over 7, 4 5 are 20 so 20 and 2 carried over, so 14 here, 5 9 6 15 1, 13 here, 1 8 here, 4 1, 5 here and 1, 1 5 8 3 5 5. This is the internal volume of your rectangular box, right? This much we don't want, so let's cut this thing out. Now this is what, see, 4, all of this 6 digits here, 6 digits here, so 4 minus 5 can't be done, 14 minus 5 instead, that is what, 9. 2 becomes 1, 11 minus 5 again, so this is what, 6. 6 will become 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2. This 6 and this 8. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so 16 minus 8, that is 8. 8, so 7 and minus 5, so 2. This 8 has become 7 because it's given 1 there, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So 28,269 what? Cubic centimeters. That is the volume of your wood. Let's move on to the next part. Now let's see the next one. What is the mass of the box if the wood used weighs 0.9 gram per cubic centimeters? Very simple. Now it is asking us the mass of the box, means that how heavy is the box. So it is saying a closed rectangular box, so we don't know that anything is inside it or not, it's empty, right? That's not given, but what we know is that it is made up of wood. Now if a box is empty, right, if I have like this, just try to take the one face of your box, so you can see this much part is empty and this much part is made of wood. So which part will have the mass, right, which can be calculated? This wood one, right? So we will calculate the mass of the wood, and how? Now that is the question. So very simple thing is, we have the volume of the total wood, right? That means in the previous part only we have calculated the volume of the wood, that was 28,269 cubic centimeters. That was what? That was the volume of the wood that was there. Now you can see it is saying 0.9 grams per cubic centimeters. That means for 1 cubic centimeter, 0.9 grams is the weight. So for 28,269 cubic centimeters, the weight or the mass will be what? 28,269 into what? 0.9. Now solve this, you get what? Let's see, 9 9s are 1, 8 carried over, so 9 6 are 54 and 8, 62 6 carried over, 18 and 6, 4, 2 carried over, 4 again, 7 carried over, 18 and 7, 2, right? So this will become 0.0 grams. Okay, so over here we have 2 point, and here also point this way, right? So this will be, and now put a point over here. Now divide this by 1000. Why this? Because we want in kilograms. So this will go, point will go 3 places to the your left. 25.4421. You can write this if you want. 25.4421 kilograms. That is the mass. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.